This question belongs to data structure subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2020. So the question states, what is the worst case complexity of inserting n square elements into an AVL tree with n elements initially? So what is our AVL tree? So AVL tree is basically height balanced binary search tree. So what is binary search tree? Binary search tree means for a node x, everything on the left will be less than x and everything on the right will be greater than x. But we can have conditions like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and so on. So in that case, searching for an item can take order of n time as it is skewed tree. So we try to make it height balanced so that we can make it perfectly balanced, something like 13, 12, 11, 17, 16, 19, something like this. This is height balance and it has a height approximately equal to log n. So AVL tree has a height of order of log n. And if you want to insert an item, then it will take, in worst case, the time complexity equal to the height of the tree, as we need to make comparison with all the items in a path. So insertion will take, in worst case, order of log n or number of items. Okay. So now let us see what the question is saying. So AVL tree is a height balanced binary search tree having number of items as n and the height as order of number of items. So let us take order of log n. N is the number of items, capital N. And insertion will take order of log n. N is the number of items. So first we will have our first insertion. So we have n square element we need to insert. So first element insertion, second element, third element, then we will have n square element insertion. So first element insertion, current height of the tree is n elements. So it will take order of log n. Now we have inserted, now we have just one item as well as n item in our tree. Okay, so number of item is n plus 1. So complexity is order of log of number of items, which is n plus 1. Now for 3 items it will be order of log of n plus 2. So for n square item it will be order of log of n square plus n item we had initially. Now we have inserted n square minus 1 item. So initially we had n item. So see how many item it had. Initially it had n item. Now we have inserted n square minus 1 item. So our height comes out to be log of n square plus n minus 1, which is this, is our height. Okay. So what is our total complexity? Total complexity is sum of all these complexities. So it is order of log n plus order of log n plus 1 up till order of log n square plus n minus 1. Okay. So we can write log a plus log b as log a into b. So this one can be written as order of log of n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 up till n plus n square minus 1. Okay. Then we have order of log of. So what is the power of n? See, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up till n square. So n is multiplied n square times. So we will have n multiplied n square times. So it is n to the power n square. So this is equal to n square log n. So the complexity comes out to the order of n square log n. So correct answer is option C.